was an air conditioner prototype made? Making an air conditioner prototype is not just about assembling parts. It's a highly precise, data-driven process. In the machining stage, different methods play distinct roles. CNC machining is used for aluminum alloy and stainless steel components, achieving tolerances of plus or minus 0.01 mm to ensure the strength and durability of compressor, crankcase, and the pipe connectors. 3D printing enables rapid production of housings or internal plastic parts within 24 to 48 hours, helping engineers verify assembly. Sheet metal fabrication is applied to air ducts and housings with plate thickness ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 mm, meeting both strength and heat dissipation requirements. Next comes finishing. Metal surfaces are polished to around RA 1.6 micrometers to ensure air tightness and corrosion resistance. Some parts are further treated with coating or anodizing for added protection and improved appearance. During assembly, the compressor, heat exchanger, fan, and electronic control units are installed with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.05 mm. The control system relies on sensors to maintain temperature precision within plus or 1 degree Celsius. Each prototype must pass a 100-hour durability test and undergo environmental simulations in an enterprise different laboratory. This is the complete journey of an air conditioner prototype, from part machining to assembly validation. Supported by precise process control and data, the prototype is almost identical to the final product and ready for real-world use.